Let's compare the Anker car charger to the Miaday power pack. So both of these are great accessories for your iPhone or Android phone if you want to charge it while you're on the go. But they're for slightly different uses. So the Anker car charger plugs into the accessory port in your car, and it turns that into these USB ports. You can see the smaller and larger one on there. On the other hand, the Miaday is actually its own self-contained battery pack. It's got a 10,000 milliamp hour battery in there, which means that you can actually just plug your devices into this. You charge it up at home first, plug your devices into this on the go, and you can charge them up and keep them charged. So if you want to plug in an iPhone, if it's running low on power, that kind of thing, you don't need to connect this to anything since it does have its own battery, once you're actually out there. So I think they're both great for travel, really. The Anker is best if you're going to be in the car for a long time. Plug that in, and you can plug in your devices and it'll just supply power continuously. The battery pack here from Miaday, better for throwing in your bag or backpack or travel bag. Take it on, in a situation where you're not going to be able to plug the phone in. Maybe you're at a theme park, for example. Carry this around during the day. Keep your devices topped up. Charge it up again when you're at home. You don't need to be plugging it into the car or into the wall in order to supply power to your devices.